Amber Heard denies she's been fired from Aquaman 2. It looks like Amber Heard may still be appearing in Aquaman 2 after all, as the actress has furiously denied reports of her being cut from the sequel. In light of the verdict, an anonymous source at Warner Brothers claims that the studio has made the decision to cut ties with Heard. They implied that after the film was screen tested, the studio decided to reshoot her scenes and only called Jason Momoa and Nicole Kidman back to set. However, a spokesperson for Heard fired back. Quote, "The rumor mill continues as it has from day one, inaccurate, insensitive, and slightly insane," and adding that the actress will in fact be reprising her role as Mera in the upcoming blockbuster, officially titled Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom. However, the petition to have Heard fired from Aquaman 2 has built up so much momentum during the trial that it's hard to ignore. It's reached over 4.6 million signatures, making it pretty obvious that the film will be boycotted if Heard's role isn't cut. But those who have signed the petition might not be all that happy to know that Momoa was the one that was fighting for his co-star scenes to stay in the film. It was eventually revealed during testimony that Momoa and the Aquaman director, James Wan, were both adamant that she was in the film, and were, quote, "very committed to Amber." Momoa was probably advised not to make a statement about this because it would bring even more controversy to the release of the film. And for good reason. It's alleged that Momoa managed to renegotiate his salary for Aquaman 2 from an estimated $3 million to $15 million. Nice. Entertainment expert Catherine Arnold testified that Heard was fighting for her life to be in the film and was paid $2 million to star in the sequel. That's double the salary she reportedly received for the first installment. The movie would have been a really sweet gig for her, considering the fact that she still owes Depp roughly $10 million and her reported net worth is only $3.5 million. So the math ain't mathin'. Heard has also testified that because of Depp's smear campaign, she was given a new script for Aquaman 2 with a very pared down version of her role. Quote, "They basically took a bunch out of my role, claiming that Mera only appears in 10 minutes of the film. But there might be another reason for that." During the trial, DC Films president Walter Hamada said in a pre-taped deposition from March 15th that Heard and Momoa weren't well matched as a screen couple. Quote, "They didn't really have a lot of chemistry together." He added, quote, "I think editorially they were able to make that relationship work in the first movie, but there was concern that it took a lot of effort to get there," which makes it pretty clear that Heard didn't get the role solely based on her audition, because even the best actors can't fake chemistry. So do you think Mera will be in the next movie or end up sleeping with the fishes? All we can do now is wait for updates from Warner Brothers. Thanks for watching, be sure to like and subscribe.